Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not load high resolution images in Messenger and iPhone or Android. If you are using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing the issue that you are unable to load high resolution images in your Messenger app, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection, because sometimes it might be a network issue, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app. And now in settings, just go to general and go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, just simply go back and go to software update. You can also try to update your software. After that, just go to your App Store or Play Store and just simply go for search and search for Messenger. And you just have to make sure that you haven't done any pending update for your Messenger app. If you find this, try to update your app. So after update, it might be that your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to reset your network setting, because sometimes it might be that there will be any issue with your network settings. You just go to settings, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. After, or you can also try to make a force restart with your iPhone or to restart your Android phone. Or you can also try to go ahead to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage and just look for Messenger app here. If you can't find, so you can search for Messenger, and here just try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your app. So in case of offloading or deleting, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, if there will be any bug or any malware with your Messenger app, it will be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.